Welcome back to our channel App Tutorial everybody, where we post app related videos. And in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can add pronouns on your Instagram bio. So what are pronouns? You can see he, him, her, she, like those kind of things, right? Like beside somebody's bio, those are called pronouns. And these things are available in the latest features or like the latest update of Instagram. So make sure to update your Instagram or check for any updates. And after updating your Instagram, you can follow the step which I'm going to be showing you guys. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel App Tutorial, then hit that subscribe to our channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you want to click on a profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to your Instagram profile. Once you're over here, you can see the edit profile option. Click on it. Once you click on the edit profile option, what you can do is where it says pronouns, click on it. Now once you click on pronouns, it's going to bring you over here. Now over here you can write your pronouns. So my pronouns are he, so I'm going to choose he. If I want to add something else, I can write HIM and I can see him. I'm going to click on him and it's going to be him. If I want to add something else, I can write it and add it as well. Alright, so yeah, after you write the thing which you want, click on done at the top right corner and wait for some time and click on done again at the top right corner and it should be done. So yeah, as you guys can see, my pronouns is over here right beside Richie, Kevin, he/him. So that's how you guys can add pronouns to your Instagram bio. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel App Tutorial. I'll see you guys on my future video. Until next time, bye bye.